Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Delhi Minister Manish Sisodia will be out of jail after 17 months. The Supreme Court on Monday, while granting bail to Manish Sisodia in the now scrapped Delhi excise policy case, came down hard on central agencies CBI and Enforcement Directorate. The apex court held them responsible for the delay in investigation and observed that trial court and high court should be sensitive when a person is in jail.
Even if it is PMLA, even it is Section 45, it doesn't matter. If it's a prolonged incarceration and there's a delay of trial, you have to release a person out on bail. And it has also advisedly made observations for trial courts and high courts to consider these pleas of accused persons who've been inside for long and the delay has not been proceeding. In all these cases, Supreme Court had said that they should consider prolonged incarceration and release people. Supreme Court has also said that Manish Sisodia has not delayed the trial. All his applications which were moved during the period of 17 months were valid, and it is only CBI and ED which has delayed the investigation. And if the investigation itself is delayed, how can the conclusion of trial be reached?
The Supreme Court also put bail conditions.
One of the conditions is that he has to surrender passport. Every person who gets bail these days has to surrender his passport. The second condition was to go before the IO every Monday and Thursday. That is a normal application, normal condition which can be imposed in any bail order. So that's nothing much into it.
After the judgment, the ED and CBI made a plea to the court that the same conditions should be imposed on Arvind Kejriwal. This is how the top court responded.
Supreme Court has specifically rejected that prayer and said that no, we have already taken care of all the conditions which needs to be there in the order.
So will Manish Sisodia be out of jail today?
अब हम कोशिश करेंगे कि as and when the order has been made available to us, we'll try and get him out today.